Hey traders, today we have an awesome strategy which I've already tested for quite a while, and this one works like a champ. We're going to need 3 indicators, so with a free TradingView account you can still use it. The indicators that we're using are the STC, Smoothed Heiken Ashi, and the CVD. So let's dive right in, and we'll add the indicators to our chart. Let's go to the Indicators tab. In the search bar type Smoothed Heiken and select the indicator where it says version 1. Now type in CDV to get the indicator from Lonesome. The title is Cumulative Delta Volume, select that one. And the last one is going to be STC and select this one. Now we've added all the indicators. The Smoothed Heiken Ashi candles are ready to go, but I turned to the wicks because we're not using them. So go to the settings and in the Style tab select the wick and set the opacity to 0%. Now it should look like what I have. The STC is ready to go, only the CDV needs some adjustments. Go to the settings and in the Inputs tab turn off the Heiken Ashi candles and turn on the SMA one. Now we're all set, and let's check how we can find an entry. We need 3 confirmations before we can take an entry. So let's take a look to the first confirmation. The Smoothed Heiken Ashi candles need to switch color from green to red. So for a short position you're looking for the first red candle. That is this one. For a short position with the STC indicator, the red line should be below the 25 level and that's it. With the CDV, the candle should close underneath the green SMA line, and that's basically it for this strategy. So when all 3 confirmations are in, we can take a short position. We set our stop loss above the latest swing high, and our target profit is going to be 1 to 1.5. Here's another example with 1 candle delay on the CDV indicator. As long as all the other indicators are still in the right direction, you can take an entry. Here is a long position. The STC should be above the 75 level as shown. The Heiken Ashi should have turned green, and the CDV should go above the green line. Overall, I really like this strategy, and hopefully you like it as well. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you liked the video, and if you want to see more strategies, don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye.